top 10. We going Fred. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
What's going on, y'all? Hope y'all having a good day. We about to go link up with Terrell. Anyways, he's running the bronze Rohana wheels on his car. I guess he posted a picture and Rohana actually reached out to him. They sent out a photographer to take some pictures of his car. So that's pretty cool. That's where I'm headed right now. This spot is super tough. I already told him we was coming to a spot to shoot the shit. Cool. Get a vlog, the people.
Oh, my fault, bro. Yo, my fault. That's why you cracked your phone.
People, yo, why you looking at that, nigga? I gotta be quiet. I can't be cursing. It's a place of God. What's your thoughts on your new rap and shit?
Honestly, it made me feel like this. It made me feel like that. They meet in the middle, bro. I love it. That's really all I'm trying to say.
Alright, now what the fuck is going on, bro?
Short little story for my Corey fans. I wanted this car since the year before the first Transformers got put out. And now I drive this car in manual. My first manual car. I didn't even know how to drive manual. This is what I learned on. It's bagged. It's missing everything except, you know what?
Bagged, wrapped, wheels, real wheels, FBO, E85.
Forgot about Rohana.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got Marc's 9th Gen Civic here. Y'all know Marc, he always doing burnouts.
I can't look off his side, bro.
The man drive his car. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably long overdue, but his passenger... Let me stop. Passenger side axle broke. Oh, that boy got a new gun ski. He didn't want to just replace one. He wants to replace them as a pair, so he just went ahead and copped Insane Shaft 500 real horsepower axles. Copped them from standballshop.co. You know what I'm saying? All your 9th Gen parts, go ahead and get them there. Not gonna lie. Let me see. Let's see how they... Oh, shit. Damn.
Look at this shit, bro.
That's drawing maps.
That's what happened. Bro,
You could curl this shit, bro. It's that big. Pause.
Hey, yo.
It's not even handy for real.
Curl, hold it. One-handed. Right there. Pause.
Yo. Bro, my guy. Where you stepping out to, bro? Hold on, fit check real quick.
I'm not on the payroll.
You're not on the payroll, but if you're not on the payroll, how the f*** you getting so fly, my nigga?
Oh, I can't tell y'all that. I can't tell y'all that.
So you don't need the payroll?
I do.
I don't think you do, Drew.
Why? I'm broke now.
Drew.
I'm broke now.
Okay.
I spent it all on this fit.
Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's black.
Where the f*** are you going?
Going to a pool party.
You going to a pool party?
Going to a pool party with this
You're going
forecast.
to a pool party, Drew. I think it's raining, my guy.
Just get in the water.
And then we got this nigga over here. This nigga manual swapped his fucking Maxima, bro. What's going on over here?
Hey, come with me, man. We out here, bro.
Real quick. This come with a CVT from the factory, right?
CVT from the factory.
CVT.
The CVT, nigga.
My fault.
The CVT, nigga. Remember to go to his website and buy some parts. We got this right here. You know what this is? A manual. How many pedals we got?
A 1.
A 2. A 3.
1, 2, 3.
That one.
Uh-huh.
You see the cap? You see the cap?
Uh-huh.
You see?
Got it.
Cap is
Striations, yeah. We're there.
All right. You shake this a little bit. Go like that.
Wait, when you go to a red light and you got... I was saying, when you go to a red light and you just want to make sure the shit ain't in gear, what you be doing?
Hold on. Green light.
Green. The car off though.
Oh. Yeah.
They don't got a tune yet, but he getting tuned tonight at 7 p.m. You know what I'm saying? Ready, bro? Yes, sir. You a badass kid, bro. Go to that pool party, bro.
Burbulage in the rain.
Have a good day.
Hey, won't even get in the pool. That's how Florida niggas do it.
Oh, we re-signed our lease, so they're grits. They got us again for another year.
I'm dead. When you're taking off the axles, it's actually super easy. All you have to do first is pop out the axle bolt. You got the axle hanging here. As you can see, it's broken. Pop the 3 LCA bolts out right here. Once you get it loose, you can literally pop the passenger side out with a hammer, bro. You don't even have to take the CV shaft out, so. Took us like 5 or 10 minutes. Just trying to find the right thing to knock the passenger side out. So what we did is we used 2 half-drive extendos and we just attached them together. You basically put the half end on this so you have an extended piece to hit with the hammer. So the hammer's force will force the passenger axle right out the side. It's gonna pop right out this way, like this type shit. Yo, what you got, fam?
Got a little something, you know, allow me to
can't-
drive. You
can't
feel
show
me?
that, my
Can't show
fault.
that. But
We got the brand new Insane Shaft 500 horsepower axle right there, bro. So this is the passenger side right here. Literally, bro, 5 to 10 minutes. Let's compare it to OEM real quick. It doesn't look too much different. The Insane Shaft CV axle definitely feels a lot heavier, more sturdy. A lot of the change is internal. The way it's made internally, it doesn't look too much different on the outside, but it's definitely a lot stronger on the inside than OEM.
I was about to go OEM again, but I was like, nah.
OEM is more than your 500 horsepower Insane Shaft axles. OEM is like 330 a pop. This is like 300 a pop. So if you break your axles, bro, and you want to upgrade to 500 horsepower axles, just do it, bro. Stepoushop.co.
Get ready to prep your car for whatever you want to do, you know? Some people want to do low turbo type shit. You feel me?
You can use this on the drag track as a daily. It don't matter, bro. Literally, you just slide this over here. Nice.
Feel like a glove, ain't it?
Pop right in. Right like a glove, nigga.
Glove, bro.
Heard that click?
That's how we like it.
You know what I'm saying?
Turn it up right here. On the hub ski. You see it.
Type shit.
Oof. I
Like
caught
a
that on
glove,
camera.
nigga. We got the driver's side out, we didn't record it. Took a little bit longer than the passenger side just because we didn't have the right tool. You need a crowbar, we're using this, but we went to AutoZone and we picked up an axle popper. Between the transmission and the CV axle, we got at least one side in. The whole thing didn't fit around it. Just hammer it in. Once you hammer it in, it'll pop right out. 5 minutes, we got the new Insane Shaft driver's side right here. Oof. Got that feel, right? That shit feels crazy, huh?
Crazy.
It popped in, right?
Yeah, that shit.
Alright, it's all the way in. Make sure there's no space in between.
$625 plus shipping. Ready?
Ready,
What I
bro.
got for $647?
I'm ready, nigga.
Okay.
A wire?
We dumping fuel, no air.
Oh, shit. New axles valid, no clicking, no nothing.
We don't hear nothing. Nah.
We about to go test this shit out.
No more first gear burnouts. Stop doing that.
We in the white Bivic. Coming soon, bro. Hybrid short shifter. I'm not gonna lie, I got them shits on my website, stepoushop.co. I saw me up in the.
I said that shit. I said it.
Say it.
I seen the fuck up in the. Hey, I said that. Hey, I seen the fuck up in the.
Boy, driving, boy. What's wrong with y'all?
What is this doing?
No, he's different.
What the fuck?
Jay just walk 417.
That nigga walking home, fam. What the fuck?
He neutral though. He don't hear shit.
It's stock officer.
Oh, you're a bad kid.
See how he's looking back like he just won a ticket. What's wrong with this?
Been found you, bro. I drive on the highway every day, guy.
I'm trying to catch niggas lacking, bro. It's good.
If you don't catch up to that Lexus, bro. Go fast enough.
Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck me. Yo! Yo! That just start up like a Corvette.
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
That's it, law, huh?
Yeah.
It's like open header, man. You might as well throw that in my car, bro.
Trying to get a look on this shit.
Yeah, fuck that. Lucky I don't got my gun on.
Bitch ass.
I got shot you a couple times.
Oh shit. Yeah. That felt good, right?
That was relieving.
Fuck ass.
I had a long day.
What's going on under here, bro?
No, you know.
A party under here?
Yes,
Violence. Violence.
This nigga got a pump face on it. Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, get at me.
He did not just show cleavage.
Oh shit. Hold up. That's a good rep right there. You gotta focus. That's a good rep. That's a good rep. Ah! Yeah.
See the vein, see the vein.
Pack his ass up, box him up.
Bitch
Bitch ass nigga.
ass nigga.
This nigga tooted up for it. You're valid, bro. You would have heard some shit.
I'm just testing steering, man. I'm about to drift this shit.
That shit wasn't improper. Bro, on me, bro. That's what you get.
What
you got in your hand, bro?
Nah, bro.
What you got in your hand, bro?
Watch out,
What you got in your hand, bro?
Yo, bro, what's good? Yo.
I smacked the fuck out my head on the hole. I smacked the fuck out my head on this pillar, nigga.
I gotta go that way though, so that way looks clear. Hey, yo, Rick, let's go.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them Maggies. You